Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today, I'm going to show you how to configure knowledge management on service portal. Let's see, log into your instance. Okay, so uh, before like to configure on service portal, let's see what is available in service portal. Okay, so our default service portal suffix is SP. Okay, so this is our service portal. Okay. So for example, if any user wants to go to the knowledge, okay, they have to click on this one on the menu bar or on the menu items. Okay. So if I click on knowledge base, okay, so this is a knowledge KB underscore view 2. This is an portal page. Okay, this is a portal page. So we need to configure this one according to our requirements. For example, if you want categories, okay, categories to show numbers, okay, some customers don't want numbers, some customers do want numbers beside like how many items are there. So you can configure it like click on the instance options. Okay, so all these things you can configure. This is like presentation title, categories, what color you want. Okay, you want to omit counts, you can click on this one. Okay, how many top level of categories you need, how many maximum article limit to allow category count, how many. So all these things you can define in the portal. For example, if I omit badges, like if I save it and you can see it, the badges are removed. Okay, the same way if you don't want top rated articles at the top and the most viewed articles, so you can interchange these things by configuring designing page in designer. Okay, open the page in designer. Okay, page in designer and move all these activities. Okay, so that is how you need to configure it. Okay, uh, so now there is another knowledge page, okay, called KB underscore home. Okay, this is other knowledge base. So some users, some customers have the knowledge page as KB home and some as view 2. Okay, and here you can see like all this like featured, most viewed. Okay, how many knowledge bases? One knowledge base, 31 articles, all these things we have. Okay, so if I click on this one, okay, then it will go to me to a KB search page. Okay, all these articles will be available here, all the 31 articles from that one. And you can add, you can search, for example, um, for example, what we do automatic replies. Okay, automatic. If I click on automatic, it shows all the automatic filters. Okay, and you can see here there is a views newest. Okay, alphabetical order. If I click on alphabetical order, it will come newest, it will come new. Views based upon the view count, it will come, and relevance based upon the relevance, it will come. Okay, so you can sort all these things and you can add filter also, like knowledge bases. Okay, one knowledge base we have here. Okay, like what category you want to show. Okay, and who is the author, what's based upon rating, last modified, everything you can see here. And okay, all this filter you can use. Okay, the knowledge search. Okay, now coming this. Okay, so we have a knowledge base. Okay, Before that, I would like to show you one more thing that automatic. If I click on any articles, okay, see it goes to the sys, okay, some article view it goes. Okay, you can see the most useful. Okay, comment, helpful, everything. But if depends upon your customer, like how you want to show this article view, okay, and you want to show subscriber buttons, you want to show the action buttons, okay, flag article or edit article, or you don't want to show most useful things, or you want to show something, some other topics here, okay, you have to configure these pages. Okay, now go back one step. Now see here, if I click on filters, I see only one knowledge base, which is IT. To get other knowledge bases onto the portal, then go to the knowledge base, whatever the knowledge base you need, okay, on portal, okay, go to the related list of for the knowledge base and click on edit, okay, click on edit and select which portal you need this knowledge base. For example, if I click on service portal, okay, and save it, so this knowledge base will be available on, like Snow Docs will be available on service portal. Let's see, refresh it. Now you see, okay, we got a Snow Docs also. Okay, now click on knowledge. Now you can see in the KB view 2, you can see two knowledges. Okay, IT and Snowdocs. If you want to search based upon the IT knowledge base, you can search, and if you want to search based upon the Snowdocs, um, you can search. So that is how you can configure the service knowledge bases on portal. Okay, that's it. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.